The massive amount of rain that fell led to 3 deaths and damage to several communities, no doubt about that. The rush of water was so strong it took out a bridge in Uvalde. But there's another side to this story. Large amounts of that water that fell are still flowing down south to a community that needs it desperately. The City of Corpus Christi, if you didn't know, has been in a drought and nearing a stage 1 water emergency for quite some time. The community was set to dwindle down to just a 6-month supply of water starting next September. Well, with all the rain water that is expected, Corpus Christi's city manager now says that date for that city will be pushed back to September of 2028. That's a whole year later than what they initially expected. And as of right now, rainwater continues to flow down the Frio and the Nueces rivers, and it will take days to get to the reservoir at Lake Corpus Christi.
And just this morning, just a few minutes ago, we concluded the meeting with our modelers from Carollo, who use a lot of data. They're experts at this, but they said that beginning this weekend, that's when we'll begin to see inflows into Lake Corpus Christi.
Another reservoir is already seeing some improvement, we're told, depending on how much water fills the reservoir this weekend. Modeling could push that September 2028 forecast back even further.